15, and I'll be reading mostly from the Contemporary English Version unless otherwise stated. So I think we should get as much out of life as we possibly can. There is nothing better than to enjoy our food and drink and to have a good time. Then we can make it through this troublesome life that God has given us here on earth. Life indeed can be troublesome, and people should balance this by maximizing enjoyment. Dahil sa kasalanan na rin ng tao, maraming tuwid ang nabaluktot, maraming liwanag ang dumilim, maraming bigat at hirap tayong daladala, at kailangan lang matuto tayo kung paano paparamihin ang saya at papakontiin ang lungkot sa buhay. To minimize pain, frustration, disappointment, even disillusionment, to minimize disorientation, inconvenience, there are some facts of life that should be accepted, even appreciated. Parang biyanan o manugang, hindi na pwedeng palitan, kaya dapat na lang tanggapin. At hindi lang pagtiyagaan, dapat tutunan na enjoyin. One fact of life is that people change. Nagbabago ang tao. Yung pinakasalan mo 30 years ago, iba na siya ngayon. Yung minahal mo 5 years ago, magbabago yan. 2 Corinthians 3:18, the Lord's Spirit makes us more and more like our glorious Lord. This is a positive spiritual growth because people's spirituality changes. 1 Corinthians 13:11, when we were children, we thought and reasoned as children do, but when we grew up, we quit our childish ways. Sometimes the change is negative, retrogressive, and unwelcome. Hindi lahat ng pagbabago ay pag-asenso, may pagbabagong pag-atras. But one truth remains, people's mentality changes. What else changes with mentality? Perspective, point of view, thoughts, values, tastes, our likes and dislikes, emotions change, feelings change, so does affection and love. Hence the great leap of faith in marriage. Kaya hindi biro ang pagpapakasal. Sabi ng matatanda, ang pag-asawa daw hindi parang kaning isusubo, iluluwa akong mapaso. That's why there's a great leap of faith in making vows, even in signing contracts. Kaya naimbento ang mga kontrata. Why were contracts developed and invented? Because Ecclesiastes 5:6, don't let your mouth or your vow get you in trouble. And the Bible admonishes us not to be guarantors, because people that you guarantee change their minds. Their fortunes change, or you change your mind. People fall in love. People fall out of love. Love, closeness, enjoyment in marriage, in family or friendship is sustained despite change and growth only when the individuals concerned grow in the same direction, in the same trajectory and speed. When they stay in the same quadrant, or at least in the same half of the plane. So when you travel together with someone in your life, at least if you're both traveling northeast, you're in the same quadrant. If you're both traveling north, you're in the same half of the plane. But if somebody begins to travel southwest and the other northeast, probably another half of the same plane, but not in different quadrants anymore. What if somebody travels north and the other one travels south? That's why people separate ways, because they can grow in different directions. And that cannot be changed, that we change. Jeremiah 13:23, can people change the color of their skin, or can a leopard remove its spots? Akala ng ibang, ibig sabihin nito, walang nagbabago. But this sense of permanence is more about natural or inborn, even genetic traits, not about those related with mentality or emotion that could be affected by the environment. With loved ones, hope and work for positive change, for change in the same direction, and for continuing oneness. But be ready for changes in others and in you. Nagbabago ang tao. Bawat nadidinig, nakikita, nararamdaman, nararanasan, nagpapabago sa atin. Kaya pag sobrang magkahiwalay ang mag-asawa, magkahiwalay ng kinakain, magkahiwalay ng buhay, magkahiwalay ng lugar, at hindi matibay ang pag-ibig nila at hindi sila parehong sumusuko sa pag-ibig ng Diyos, maaaring magkalayo ang loob. At pag nagkalayo ang loob, kasunod na lang na maglalayo na pati ang kanilang mga buhay. Tinatanggap yan. People change. That's why if you care for somebody very deeply, you try to change in the same direction or trajectory or speed so you don't fork ways. You don't separate ways. Pinagsisikapan yan. Another fact of life is partners can become unfaithful. I don't want to burst the bubbles of those who are newlyweds. Loving or not loving, a partner can become unfaithful. Pag may pinapakasalan kayo, umaasa kayo magiging matapat yon at sumusumpa kayo magiging matapat, pero magbigay kayo kahit konting puwang sa puso nyo na maaaring madapa, magkamali ang isang tao at maging unfaithful. Most of serious counseling is about unfaithfulness between spouses. Malakay 2:15, don't ever be unfaithful to your wife. Why the abundance of such commands? Kasi nangyayari. What is important is for you to be faithful yourself, because you can control yourself by God's power, but leave some room for your partner's tendency to and capacity for unfaithfulness. Sometimes what is most painful are people who never even expected, suspected, or imagined that their spouse could be capable of unfaithfulness. And then suddenly they realize, may anak na palang 12 anyos kay kumare. Ang sakit, kasi buong buhay, nasa ilusyon ka na perfect ka na pangasawa mo. We pray for that. We strive for that. But leave room for the possibility so that if it does happen, there will be less pain. Facts of life. Not to just burst your balloon, but we should be grounded.